Hello students, good morning again. Last time in accountancy we have seen profit and loss appropriation account. We have started the profit and loss appropriation account. We have seen few of the important rules and regulations regarding profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is separated from profit and loss account. The rules of profit and loss appropriation accounts are same as profit and loss account. Debit side, all the expenses are recorded. Credit side, all the incomes are recorded. Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after profit and loss account. So now the students, normally those who have studied the chapter final account in 11th standard perfectly, they know that profit and loss account, when we prepare the total at the end of the year, if we do, if the credit side total is more, it is considered as net profit, and if debit side total is more, it is considered as net loss. Now, in 12th standard, partnership account, because in 11, individual account was there, individual business account. In 12th standard, partnership firm is there, first part. Second part, we have company account. So first part we are discussing right now. Partnership account, in which first we prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and then directly we do not prepare balance sheet. We prepare profit and loss appropriation account, third number, and fourth number we prepare capital account as well as current account. Now current account is optional. If information regarding current account is given, then we prepare current account. Otherwise we only prepare capital account. So right now let me talk to you further that first we prepare trading, then we prepare profit and loss account, then we prepare profit and loss appropriation account, then we prepare capital account, if required then current account, and then balance sheet. Now we have seen trading, profit and loss and balance sheet in 11th standard. We have not seen profit and loss appropriation and capital as well as current account yet. So first we are going to discuss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account, as we have seen in last lecture, in this account information regarding partners only recorded. Information regarding partners only recorded. Few other things like reserve fund, general reserve, manager's commission, these things can be there. Other than that, net profit or net loss of profit and loss account, which we carry forward from profit and loss, will be recorded. Now this is theoretical. Practically we have to see what things are included in profit and loss appropriation account. Let's see right now. Now, profit and loss appropriation account, you can see the format of profit and loss appropriation account. First we will discuss the debit side. Now on debit side, you can see the profit and loss account. First item is given. This profit and loss is the net loss that you have brought from profit and loss account. I repeat my lines again. Debit side, first item, profit and loss account, is the net loss which you brought from profit and loss account, always recorded on debit side. And all the items are recorded on debit side are generally expenses or losses of the business. Second thing you can see on debit side is interest on capital. Now capital interest, you all know that it's an expense for the business, because capital interest, capital brought by the partners in the business, so business will have to pay the interest on that. So it means interest is expense for the business. So debit side, second item you can see interest on capital. Till now you have recorded interest on capital in profit and loss debit side. Now we will write down interest on capital, profit and loss appropriation account debit side. Then after salaries. Now listen the word carefully. Salary of partners only recorded here. Salary of partners only recorded here. Other than partner, the salary of employees or any other person will be recorded in profit and loss account, not here. Then after, you can see the commission. Now, commission of two types of people. One is commission of partner. That is also recorded here. Any commission which is given to a partner will be recorded here. Or commission given to a manager. Commission given to a manager also will be recorded here. Then after, you can see the next thing is reserves. Now it is called reserve fund or general reserve. Now any amount which you have to transfer from profit to general reserve or reserve fund, if it is mentioned in the question, it is also recorded here, and second effect will be given on liability side. Then after, you can see debit side, profit or loss that is transferred to capital or current account. Now this is what? Once you go for the total, sum is over now. Once you go for the total, and then by chance, if credit side total is more, debit side total is less, so debit side, this profit will be distributed. It is also known as divisible profit. Debit side, last item which is mentioned, it is a divisible profit. It is only obtained after getting the totals of both the sides. And if credit side total is more, then it is recorded on debit side. It is a divisible profit, will be distributed between or among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. This profit will be carried forward to capital or current account. If only capital account is prepared, then it is taken to capital account. If current account is also prepared, then it is taken to transferred to current account. Now we are moving to credit side of appropriation account. In credit side, again you can see the first item, profit and loss account. Now debit side also profit and loss first item is there, and credit side also first item is there. Both at the same time simultaneously cannot be possible. One can be possible. Now credit side, if profit and loss account is written, it means that it is net profit. It is net profit. This net profit we bring from profit and loss account. It is net profit. Remember, I repeat again, both cannot be possible. Debit side also, credit side also. You all know that in the business at one time, profit and loss both cannot be possible. Only one can be possible. Then after the second item, you can see interest on drawing. Now interest on drawing is income for the business. Interest on drawing means drawing done by the. We continue here. Interest on drawing, credit side which we have written, it is income for the business, so it is recorded on credit side. Interest on capital is debit side, interest on drawing is credit side. Now next one is loss transferred. Remember, I have already discussed, if we do the total of this account, if debit side total is more, credit side total is less. So on credit side, this will be considered as a loss, and loss will be distributed between or among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Remember, divisible profit that we have discussed few minutes before, this is considered as divisible loss. Now divisible loss will be transferred to capital account or current account debit side. If only capital account, then capital account. If current account also we are preparing, then it is recorded in current account. So this is the whole format of profit and loss appropriation account, students. I know it is very difficult to get directly, so we will do some of the sums in next lecture so that your concept should be 100% clear. Hope you have understood these things. Okay, have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.